Hey guys, welcome back to Raj Tech India. This video is about how to use WhatsApp to submit your EPF related complaints to your EPF regional office. To do that, first you have to save the EPF WhatsApp helpline number related to your EPF regional office. I will provide this list of EPF WhatsApp helpline numbers in below video description. By clicking on that link, you can download this list in PDF format. Once you download this list, save the EPF WhatsApp helpline number of your EPF regional office in your mobile contacts list. Once you save it in your contacts list, open your EPF mobile application. Here it is WhatsApp helpline number of Vizag PF office in Andhra Pradesh. Once you open that contact, here you can see an option to send messages like in a regular WhatsApp chat. Here you need to type your name and after that your UAN number and after that type your problem or your complaint. Once you type your message, if you want to add any attachments like any screenshots or any PDF files, then you can add them by using this attachment option. After adding the attachment, click on submit and your message will be sent to your EPF regional office. Till now we are using EPF grievance portal to raise our complaints, but along with this EPF grievance portal, now we can also use EPF WhatsApp services to submit our complaints to our EPF regional offices. I hope you like this video, and if you still have any doubts, then you can ask those doubts in below comment section. And if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India.